This salad, with its special recipe, is not only physically full of benefits, but also due to its special combination, it can have a very positive effect on strengthening the sense of calm and nourishing the first chakra, which is the root chakra. If you really want this salad to bring you these miraculous effects, be sure to use organic and natural ingredients as much as possible. First, we prepare the dressing. Chop a shallot and transfer it into a mason jar. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to the shallot. Add the juice of a fresh lemon and the juice of an orange. Add a tablespoon of natural honey to this mixture. Add a teaspoon of English mustard to this mixture. And add salt and black pepper flakes to this mixture according to your taste. Then close the lid and shake the jar well until everything is incorporated. I have linked down the ingredients as well as the link to this beautiful all-in-one mason jars from the country of your resident that you can go and order if you want. Let's prepare the salad. Peel about 250 grams of raw beetroots and grate them with large grater. Along with it, peel and grate 2 medium carrots as well. Transfer these ingredients into a salad bowl. Cut half of the red cabbage into thin slices with a knife or with a peeler and add the chopped cabbage to the salad bowl. Add a cup of freshly chopped parsley to the salad. Pour the dressing over the chopped ingredients and mix well. This wonderful salad is ready as quickly and easy as this. Enjoy!